Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to back up Google Contacts. So if you want to save a copy of your Google Contacts, here's the quickest way. So first, open your web browser, then click this menu right here and scroll down and click Contacts. Or you can also go to contacts.google.com. Sign in to the Google account that has the contacts you want to back up. Now, once you're here, you can select the contacts you want to back up. You can click this R right here and you can select all if you want to back up all of them. Or if you want to back up only some of your contacts, you can select them just like so. Then click the three dots at the right side that says More Actions. Then click Export. So right here, you can choose Google CSV if you're backing up for another Google account, or you can select CSV for Outlook if you plan to use the contacts in Microsoft Outlook. So once you choose one, click Export, and your contacts will be downloaded as a CSV file to your computer. And that's it. You now have a backup of your Google contacts that you can store safely or import later if needed. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.